M650 wireless microphone set from AnkerWork. This is a battery case that has USB Type-C charging. Open it up, you have the battery indicator right here. You have two microphones and one receiver unit. When you open it up, it all syncs and it's ready to rock and roll. This is the microphone. You have the mute button right here. Push that, the audio stops sending. It turns red, push again, and it turns blue, and audio sends to the receiver. You have a clip that's super strong. Boom! You can use this clip to attach on clothing, or you can use the clip the traditional way. Rotate the clip in 4 different orientations like that to optimize the pickup location. Love the powerful clip on it right there. Got two microphones, and you have the receiver unit. I have the Apple Lightning connector already attached to it. I love this Lightning adapter. I can attach it directly to my iPhone like this and start recording audio. And if I want to, I can flip it around and connect it this way as well. Super easy and impossible for this to come loose when you plug it in, because in order to open this up, you actually have to twist this and take it out. Very solid. You can change this Lightning connector for a USB Type-C connector if you want, but I'm an Apple user, so I like that Lightning connector right there, and I love that you can store it with the Lightning connector intact, ready to rock and roll right here. Oh yeah.